Welcome students to class 4 maths chapter 5 multiplication session 5.5. In this session we will do multiplication by 3-digit numbers and we will do multiplication of 3 numbers. In our previous video lessons we have done multiplication with 1-digit number. We have also covered multiplication with 2-digit numbers. In today's session, we will do multiplication with 3-digit numbers. A quick recap of multiplication with 1-digit number. I have taken the example here 9 has to be multiplied with 247. So first we will multiply 9 with 7, which is at the ones place. Then we will multiply 9 with 4, which is at the tens place. And then we will multiply 9 with 2. Like this, we will multiply with 1 digit. When we had to multiply with a 2-digit number, we would first multiply 9 with 247 and get one answer. Then we will multiply 4 with 247. And it is not 4, this is actually 4 at tens place, which means 40 has to be multiplied with 247. So to cater to that 40, the 0 we will write here and then we will multiply 247 with 4 and write the second answer over here. Then we will add these two numbers and get the final answer. Now moving on to multiplying with a 3-digit number. Here the example is 247 multiplied by 749. We will multiply 9 with 247, we will get the first answer. Then we will multiply 4 with 247 and before we write the second answer of multiplication, we will add a 0 here. Then we will go on to multiply 7 with 247. And since 7 is at the hundreds place, we will first write 2 zeros and then whatever answer we get by multiplying with 7, that answer we will write here. Now these three numbers we will add. And whatever final answer we get, that will be the product of these two numbers. Now let us look at an example. 317 into 124. So in the first step, we have to multiply 4 with 317. When we multiply 4 with 317, we get 1268. Then in the next line, we have to write the product of 317 and 20. Since 20 has a 0, we will first write that 0 and then we will write the answer of 317 into 2, which is 634. After that, we have to multiply 317 with 100. First, we will write the 2 zeros. Then we will multiply 1 with 317. When we multiply 1 with 317, we get 317. Now that we have got all the numbers, we will add these numbers. And when we add, we get the answer as 39308. So our answer is 39,308. In this particular example, I basically wanted you to be clear on the concept of how we are multiplying the first number, the second number by adding 1 0 to it and the third number by adding 2 zeros to it. This is the basic framework of how you are supposed to multiply. I have not explained these multiplication steps. However, in the next example, I will do that. Example 2, 596 into 347. In the first line, we will multiply 596 into 7 and we have to write. So we will start by multiplying 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42, 4 at the top, 2 at the bottom. 7 9s are 63 plus 4, 67, 6 at the top, 7 at the bottom. 7 5s are 35 plus 6, 41. In the next step, we have to multiply 40 with 596. First we'll write 1 0 and then we'll multiply 4. 4 6 are 24, 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom. 4 into 9, 36 plus 2, 38, 3 at the top, 8 at the bottom. 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23. In the last line here, we will multiply 596 by 300. First we'll write the 2 zeros here. Then we'll multiply 3 by 6, 18, 1 at the top, 8 at the bottom. Then 3 into 9, 27 plus 1, 28, 2 at the top, 8 at the bottom. 3 by 5, 15 plus 2, 17. Now we will add these three numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 7 plus 4, 11. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. 1 plus 8 gives us 18. 1 at the top, 8 at the bottom. Then 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 gives us 16. 1 at the top, 6 at the bottom. Then 1 plus 2 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. So the final answer is 206812. Example 3. Multiply 620 by 139. So first thing we'll do is multiply 9 with the number 620 and write it in the first line. 9 zeros are 0. Be careful with 9 zeros are. 9 twos are 18, 1 at the top, 8 at the bottom. 9 six are 54 plus 1, 55. In the next line, we are actually multiplying 3 at the tens place with 620. 3 at the tens place means 30. So, to take care of the 0, we'll write 1 0 here and then we will multiply 3 by 0 which is 0. 3 twos are 6. 3 6 are 18. In the third line here, we have to multiply 620 with 1 at hundreds place. So, we will multiply 620 with 100. To take care of the two zeros, we will write two zeros here. Then we will multiply 1 with 0 which gives us 0. Then 1 with 2 that will give us 2. And then 1 6 are 6. We'll add these three numbers. When we add 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 8 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 8. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 gives us 16. 1 plus 1 plus 6 gives us 8. So the final answer becomes 86180. Example 4. Multiply 54 by 113. Now here the 2-digit number is given first and the 3-digit number is given later. We can multiply as it is, or we could even change the order. We could write 113 on top and 54 at the bottom. Let us continue like this only. First line we will multiply 54 by 3 and write 3 into 4 12, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom. 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16. Then we will write 1 0 here to take care of the tens place, and after that we will multiply 1 into 4 4, 1 into 5 5. Now in the third line, since this 1 is at hundreds place, we will multiply 54 by 100. Now if you notice, the tens place and ones place we have 1 1. So 54 is what we have got by multiplying here. So after putting the two zeros, we just have to copy this number. In case these two digits are same, we have got 54 here, we will get the 54 here also. On adding these numbers, we get 6102. Our final answer is 6102. Example 5. Multiply 4 into 423 into 25. Now here three numbers are given. We have to look at these numbers and see which two should we multiply first so that our calculation becomes easy. Now if you see, 4 into 25 will give us, I have calculated in the rough and shown you, it gives us 100. So we will first multiply 4 into 25. Please look here, I have just rearranged. I have taken this 4 this side, 423 into 4 into 25, and now I have multiplied these two and written in the next line 423 into 100. I have replaced 4 into 25 by 100 because 4 into 25 is 100. Now you can orally do this calculation. 423 into 100 is 42300. That gives us the final answer 42300. So to make our calculation easy, when we have a set of 3 or more numbers, we will have to choose those numbers which will either give us a multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000 so that the further calculation becomes easy. Now we are ready to do worksheet 5.5. Multiply. Question 1. 408 into 106. Question 2. 673 into 148. Question 3. 412 into 207. Question 4. 109 into 650. Question 5. 81 into 4 into 125. Please pause the video here. Solve all these questions, and once you have solved, unpause and see the solutions. Solutions to worksheet 5.5. Question 1 was multiply 408 with 106. We will start by multiplying 6 into 8. 48, 4 at the top, 8 at the bottom, 6 zeros are 0, plus 4, 4, 6 fours are 24. Next line we have 0 into 408. So 0 multiplied with this will give us all zeros. And after that we have 1 into 408. So first we will put the 2 zeros that we are supposed to put. Now we will multiply 4 with 108. So 1 into 8 is 8, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 4 is 4. Now we will add these three numbers. The answer is 43248. Now if you look here in this particular line, it is all zeros. So there is actually no need to write this line. You can directly write this line. Only thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to put 2 zeros here. Now look, this is how your question can look if you omit the 0 line. Both ways are correct, but it is better that you remove the extra line. It is not required. Only thing to keep in mind is that you have to put 2 zeros before you start multiplying the third number. Question 2. 673 into 148. We'll start by multiplying 8 3s are 24, 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom. 8 7s are 56 plus 2, 58. 5 at the top, 8 at the bottom. 8 6s are 48 plus 5, 53. Then we'll put 1 0 and multiply 4 3s are 12, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29, 2 at the top, 9 at the bottom. 4 into 6, 24 plus 2, 26. Then we'll put 2 zeros and then multiply 1 by 3, 3, 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 6, 6. Now we'll add these three numbers. When we add, we get the answer as 99604. So don't forget to write answer in a separate line. Question 3. Multiply 412 into 207. We start by multiplying 7 into 2, 14, 1 at the top, 4 at the bottom. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. 7 4s are 28. Then we have the 0 line. I told you we could easily skip the 0 line. We'll directly start multiplying with 2. But before that, since 2 is at hundreds place, we will put 2 zeros. Now we will multiply 2 by 2 and write 4 here. Then 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Now we'll add these two numbers. We'll get 85284. In the next line, we will write answer 85284. Question 4 was 109 into 650. Now here 0 is in the ones place. So we will not multiply with 0. We'll start multiplying with 5. 5 is at the tens place. So we will put 1 0. And then we'll multiply 5 into 9, 45. 4 at the top, 5 at the bottom. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4. 4, 5 ones are 5. Then we'll put 2 zeros because 6 is at the hundreds place. Then multiply 6 by 9. 6 into 9 is 54. 5 at the top, 4 at the bottom. 6 zeros are 0 plus 5, 5. 6 ones are 6. Now we'll add these two numbers. We get the answer as 70854. Multiply 81 into 4 into 125. Now here we have to first multiply 4 into 125. When we multiply 4 into 125, we get 500. So, we will first write this is equal to 81 into 500 because we have multiplied 4 and 125. We will multiply 81 by 5. When we multiply 81 by 5, we get 405. So, we will write 405 and then we will put 2 zeros in the end. So, the answer becomes 40500. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I hope you enjoyed doing the worksheet and don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment. Your comments are a huge source of motivation for me. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.